Alright guys, this is the build for Tamos, and choose if you want it. This is the damage of the first one, guys. This is the first one. That's the damage of the first build of Tamos. Alright, the next one. This is tank version of it, but it is strong. That's the damage of that second build of Tamos. Okay, thank you.